Welcome back to CAD engineering tutorial. Today I am going to show you how to create a complex geometric sphere design. This is very important design any beginners. So let's jump into the main video. Here is a note. This design little bit complex but very interesting. I use different types of tools like extrude cut, revolve was base, extrude cut, and revolve surface, also see intersects, swift was base, circular pattern, etc. So let's get started. Exit. Now going to choose part. I choose this template. Now choose the plane height because it looks good. Choose circle. Make sure dimension. Choose smart dimension. 60 millimeter. Okay, and origin from center circle distance like 80 millimeter. Now choose center point and origin point. Make sure relation horizontally. Now it is fully defined. Now choose features, revolve was base. Make sure axis of revolution. Make sure axis of revolution normal true. So center line. This is our reference line. So the options, because our graphics area not visible clearly, so I choose higher resolution. So now it is good. Again choose feature, choose revolve was base. Now it is automatically selected. Choose axis of revolution and blind tools automatically 360 degree. Exit. View top level annotation. Make sure off. Now it is good. Again choose front plane. Okay, here is a circle. Need to convert entity. Now it is convert entity. Again choose line. Now choose center line. It is defined our geometry. This point, this point, this point. Make sure relation vertically. Make sure dimension 25 millimeter. Okay, this is good. And so stream entities. Make sure power trim. Now it is okay. Now going to choose fit spline, because it is there are 3 parts. All geometry is 3 parts. Need to make sure convert to 1 parts. So make sure constraint part. Choose one point, selected, second point, selected, third point. Now it is 1. Again choose center line. It is used for reference line. So choose surface, revolve surface. Axis of revolution line. Now it is 360-degree angle automatically detected and also created. Okay, now looks good. Again choose front plane and choose center line from origin to top. Now choose midpoint line, because this line used for extruded surface purposes. So choose again smart dimension, and here is a angle, let's say 30-degree. Okay, now choose surface, extruded. Okay, now it is make sure line, make sure intersect. So intersects not visible, so normal to, and choose intersect curve command. Sorry. Now it is back. Make sure unmerged relation. Checking. There are two body, one body and this body. Okay, now it is ready to intersect command. Okay, here is the intersect. Now choose the swept boss base. I choose circular. $3 mm. Okay. Again choose. Now it is mirror. shows the right plane, mirror to body. Okay, now going to choose circular pattern, because our body is fully ready to our spherical command. Spherical, so layer selection now shows the axis point, shows body, just line, delete, make sure body, now it is ready to now it is working. Height sketch, okay, make sure color, choose appearance, I choose this color, I choose now looking good. Also choose air appearance, now ready to our spherical complex design. So thanks for watching.